Hey folks, I'm Randy Lemmon of the Garden Line. I'm going to be broadcasting my show Saturday, February 29th from the Home and Garden Show. Actually, it's called the Montgomery County Home and Outdoor Living Expo. It's going to be at the Lone Star Convention Center. We'll broadcast the show. The doors open at 9. You can see what we do, how we do it, do the seminar right after that. And then after the seminar, come to our broadcast booth and I'll be selling these. My new book, New Decade Gardening. And why am I showing you two? Because I think you should buy two, because you have someone in your family, a friend, a neighbor you know needs this kind of help. Plus, if you buy two, you're also going to get a free garden goodie. Not maybe this one, but something like this, about a retail value of anywhere from $15 to $16. So for two for $25, you get a free goodie, or one book for $15. See why you want to buy two. We'll see you at the Montgomery County Home and Outdoor Living Expo at the Lone Star Convention Center, February 29th.